Hi, this is Mrs. Bolts, and today we're going to take a look at the Canva website and how you can make your own timeline infographic for your innovation for the research project, Man versus Technology. Let's get started. You can go into the Canva website by going to Google Classroom, or you can write Canva and click on the website. Once here, you're going to want to sign up, and you're going to want to sign up with Google. And you're going to sign up using your MASD account. Okay, this is the main page on Canva, and you're going to type in here, design anything, you're going to type in time, and timeline infographic will show up, and click on that. You can see that you have a lot of different choices for templates, and you can even start with a blank template and start completely from scratch. I recommend that you use a template that you think will work with your facts. So if you have about 5 facts, you can start with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have more of a timeline that you would like to use that looks like this, you can do that. You have lots of different choices. I'm going to go ahead and click this one just for the sake of this exercise. And it will pop up, and what you want to do is you want to immediately go here and change the name. So you want to call it maybe your technology infographic or timeline. So you want to change that name up there first. Then you can start playing around. I recommend zooming in to about 100% and then starting at the top. You don't want buttons, so you can get rid of that. And you probably want to get rid of this line. Oops, undo. You can always undo if you make a mistake. And to change the text, you have options over here. You have photos, elements, text. We don't need to add videos. You can change the background. You can even upload photos that you've downloaded from the internet. So let's start with the text. And I want to change this, obviously, from the art of creating shirts to maybe computers. Maybe a history of computers. Okay, and it's already saving for me. I don't need to save it. It's saving it for me. And I need to get rid of this. Easy steps from the experts. I can just delete that and have nothing there, or I can put a subheading. Then I want to get rid of this illustration, and I want to put in maybe a photo, and I'm going to type in computer and hit enter. And let's say I really like this one, and it comes up down here. I can resize it, and I should be able to play around with this, drag it up, and put it right where I want to. And those lines help me make it straight. And then I need to obviously change the text within here. I might say, you know, I'm just making updates here, but let's say 1885, and we have, and it's like typewriter. And then I'm going to put my text in here, and maybe I would want to change that photo to a typewriter since it is a typewriter. I'm in photos. Oh, this one looks good. I can make that smaller. Drag it up like that. And so that's how you add your text, and then you would keep going down. If you wanted to do some kind of element like this, you would delete the t-shirt or delete the picture in front of you, and you would go to elements, and you could search typewriter. And you would get these different images. You can use them. We're not printing these, so they will have a watermark. I'm trying to drag this. There we go. So it will have a watermark, but you can still use it because we're not printing this. We're just saving it digitally. So you can play around with the font color. You can play around with the different, the background. Like this background is peach. I can change it to burgundy. I can change it to gray, green. The text, you change the color. You select it and you change the color up here. I could make it blue, orange. I want to make it though so that I can read it. You can also change the font. Lots of different font styles. Then you can change the size. So select it and change the size if you want to make it bigger. You can do that. And it's all saving the changes as you go. You don't need to save. It's saving it as you go. When you feel like you're all done, the steps to share are this. You're going to go up to share and you're going to write copy link. And it's copied. And then you're going to paste it into Google Classroom. And there will be a place for you to put it there where it will say paste your timeline link here. And that's what you do. So good luck with your Canva timelines, and make sure you have quality images and accurate facts.